Yes, as you can see in front of you, we have various materials that I've recently just discussed, and as you can see, these are the nylon camel tie, and here it's written material is nylon. I hope you can see nylon 66. So this should be used indoors, as you have seen. So we have these are the white one or the clear one, this one, yeah. Then we have the black ones. The black ones are best suited in the outdoors, in which they have been treated quite well, just to go on the aspects of the sunlight. The ultraviolet light can be able to resist that kind of light, while this one used to be used indoors. So keep them aside. Then we have discussed about this one, the tapes. You can see these are the vinyl tapes. We've discussed the advantages and the drawbacks. Keep them aside. Then we have the binding wire. The binding wire, which we've discussed. We know the advantages and the disadvantage of the binding wire. Then what I want to discuss today is the material called this aluminum. After working on various projects regarding cable management and satellite installation, I came up with this method. This is 3 holes on one. So this is how we do it. You have to get a longer bolt, actually with a nut. So let us use this one. So this will be our cable. For example, you have this kind of cable. For example, you have this kind of cable that you want to do cable management. So what you do, you just pick it that way, the inside part. Then you take you have this is the long bolt. This is for the longer ones. Then we have this is a longer bolt, but the diameter is actually not as big as this other one. This has a big diameter. So since this cable doesn't match, so what we're going to do, I'm going to pick slightly longer, which is like 3 inches. Then just place it on the first hole here. Just loosen this nut. Place it inside there. Then take your nut. Then the inside part, since this is a thin sheet, thin sheet of aluminum, it's easily foldable. As you can see, I'm folding without using any kind of huge effort. So this is how you do it. You can see trying to fold. So what you'll do, you'll to make sure that all you need to do is just to slot your cable, slot your nut inside this cable. It requires some effort. There. Let's see there. I need to slot on this cable. So you pull the inside part, pull the inside part here, so that it can be able to hold all those cables. Then you pick your nut, then tighten. You need to tighten the nut. So that's how it is. You can see all cables are managed well. There's no any kind of interference with the cable in terms of maybe injuring. There's no injury on the cable. The surface is very flat. Yeah, as you can see, the cable has been properly managed, as you can see. Yeah, so on this part, you can use this part to just hang on to the side that you want to place it. Yeah, to place it on the or hang it onto a satellite dish. So use the first bolt. So in case these cables become longer or have multiple runs, you extend it to the second cable, the second hole, like so. Then the rest also, the increase in number of turns, increase the third hole. So the advantages of this is that there's no corrosion. Number one, there's no corrosion in terms of it can't gather any kind of rust. This is pure aluminum thin sheets, as you can see. Yeah, but the bolt is the bolt is coated to resist any kind of corrosion, as you can see. So no corrosion, no interference with the cable. Then the third one, third point is that you can be able to expand or to extend as in case you need to do an upgrade of maybe satellites. You can be able to upgrade it or move to the next hole there, thereby be able to even to can easily scalable. It is easily scalable. You can be able to just loosen the nut, can be able to shift to the next hole. You can just remove it and then you need to shift it to the next hole. That's how we do it. And then last part is that it's very easy, very durable, very durable. You can see, come rain or sunlight, not affected by any kind of ultraviolet light. It expands. When it expands, it will even it expands and then come back into its original form. So these are actually a very good method to actually perform satellite installation and do cable management. In fact, if you have a longer cable runs or many turns like this one, if you have many cables with a huge turns, you can see this is actually smaller. This is actually this is actually longer, many turns, as you can see. So recommendation is that use a longer 1-3. As you can see, just need to just perform the way we did. Just place it the thin sheets of aluminium, then just fold it like so. Then on the first part, the first bolt, you grab the one bolt here, this one. You just need to loosen the nut, then you can be able to actually manage your cables that way. Then just tighten the nut. That way, as you can see. Yeah. So the method is very good in terms of its handling. Very simple to use, durable, no corrosion, it's weatherproof, and this is the way to go, guys. Give it a thumbs up. A thumbs up, guys. And if you need to just place it somewhere, you just need to use the top hole here. Just place it on top there, like so. Then you can be able to put on the other side, be able to hang it on the wall. So that is how to build a new cable management. And this method is very scalable across various projects, as you can see. So the more turns you have on the cable, the bigger or the longer will be your plate. If there are less turns, you can be able to use the small one. And if they are much bigger, you can be able to use the U method, which I shown you last time, whereby you place one cable there, place the bolt there, then on the other side, can be able to shift it, can be able to manage. And to manage on the other side, manage on the other side. And this way, and to adjust it, and to place one on the cable here, one bolt here. Make sure it's a longer one. This is a shorter one. Place it with a longer one. we have a shorter one, a longer one, sorry. Just need to loosen up the bolt there. Then on the far end, the third one, just place, because you need to measure this section from this part to this part. So put it on the last hole, like so. Then on this other end, so it will be like that, the smaller one and the longer one. The longer one on this other side. That way, the longer one, the smaller one on this other side, the shorter one, sorry. Then you pick another similar length of the thin plate. Just place it. You place it the back side. Make sure you use the last hole. Then you tie it. So let us tie it together. Yeah, you have to tie it there. Then come on this other side. The side, make sure you place it on the last that hole, and give it a good grip, and place your nut there. And tighten. Yeah, so that's it. So this is it now. This is it. So this is it. And this is it now. Can see? Can be able to hold all your cables intact. So no matter the cables, using this method, can be able to do cable management onto any kind of cable runs that you have. So this part goes to the hanging wire, to the hanging point there. They're properly placed and see, properly managed. No use of binding wire. So give it a thumbs up, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you like, share and comment. So on to the next video. Thank you.